Welcome to Tech Byte, your source for the latest tech news and update. I'm your host, and today we have got some exciting news from the world of wearables. In a recent report by Cheers Ditto, it's been revealed that the next Apple Watch, expected in 2024, is set to revolutionize health monitoring with three new sensors. These sensors can detect prediabetes, rising blood pressure, and even alert you to potential sleep apnea. But here's the kicker: they are not inexpensive and designed for early warnings, not as diagnostic tool. The blood glucose sensors uses light to measure blood glucose levels, offering pre-diabetic warnings. The blood pressure sensor helps track hypertension factors, and the sleep apnea sensor analyzes breathing patterns during sleep. The alliance This aligns with Apple's larger strategy to transform healthcare. They are not just about post-sickness care, but early detection and prevention. These human features might launch alongside an AI-powered health service, taking Apple's commitment to health tech to the next level. That's all for today's Tech Bite. If you found this information exciting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment in the comment sections below. Stay tuned and stay techy.